Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope that you're doing good. First of all, if you're interested in seeing my upcoming tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Like and share, that's appreciated. I'll be presenting later more about custom weapons, automated animations, and more. Feel free to use the file in description and watch for further enhancements. You would notice the shaking in case item's height is smaller than table height. So let's add these expressions in order to fix this. Go to the action that limits list handler and make these changes. The first one will solve the shaking problem. The second one would make it scrollable. That's much better than just isolating it. Here we have an additional space value. Let's remove it to check the result clearly. Put things back to their place. Now if you want to make use of bottom space, add some description or more content within it. Look for the very last item. Use its y plus table's bottom y all divided by 2. Now let's add scroll release, a force variable that will make handler move after release. You could use stream behavior as well. Save list handler y while it's being dragged. Put difference in the force variable once dropped and multiply it if needed. If force value isn't equal to 0 and list isn't being dragged, then let it slowly decrease the force. Walk for it if it crosses 0. And apply y change at last. In case there are items with different heights, we should modify the ordering events. Change some items' heights to test it. Add a variable named last y to save last item y. Give it an initial value which is list handler y. Put items in their position in order and then increase last y by item height, plus the gap. Let table take its new width which will affect its fellow objects. Finally, about multiple columns. Once table width is changed, this should trigger the updating function. First, look for how much items could fit in through dividing table width by item width. An X variable for current column index and origin X. This would require having last Y variable for each column, so save it in an array or dictionary. Increase X for each item and reset it to 0 when it reaches max number. This variable determines the very first item X at left. Use it as a base additionally to item width multiplied by X index. Add a gap if needed. Add initial last Y for each column. Then increase current column last Y by item height plus gap. Items go to the very left, so to fix this, make origin X an integer. That's it for now. See you soon.